chocolate chip snowball cookies. This is my mom's classic favorite recipe. Everyone loves these. They're like Russian tea cakes or wedding cookies, but instead of using nuts, I'm adding chocolate chips. So one, not only are they perfect if you have allergies, but also who doesn't love chocolate? It's like a chocolate chip cookie and a snowball all rolled into one. These are amazing. You're going to love them.
I have 1 cup of unsalted butter that's been softened and a half of a cup of powdered sugar, and I'm going to mix that until it's nice and creamy. You can also use salted butter. You'll just want to reduce the amount of added salt in the recipe. Once you have your butter and sugar creamed, you're going to add a half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. And then you're going to mix that together. Now this is going to take a really long time if you're using a hand mixer. You'll want to up your speed on the mixer. If you're using a stand mixer, it will go a lot faster. But just know, like, it's gonna form a cohesive cookie dough. It's just gonna take time. So just keep mixing. So you can see it eventually does form into a cookie dough. And then we're adding 1 cup of mini chocolate chips. I think the mini chocolate chips are really important because then you have chocolate in every bite. Once you've added those to your cookie sheet, roll them between your palms to make them cohesive, and then bake them.
Now, snowball cookies are classically served at Christmas, but my mom keeps these in the freezer all year round because she has a few friends that come over and always expect to leave with a little baggie of them.
Once they're done, you roll them in powdered sugar.
See how easy it is to make these? And once you realize you can make them without nuts, the sky's the limit. You can use toffee bits, little mini M&Ms, different flavor nuts. These are so simple and so easy to make. I have so many recipes on my website. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you don't already, and keep watching for even more cookie recipes.